IELTS new words for reading and writing: sparse, not dense; peculiar, curious, strange; infuriate, make furiate or anger; exaggerate, enlarge, beyond bounds of or to the truth; eliminate, make lighter or brighter; peril, a state of danger involving risk; imitate, reproduce someone's behavior or looks, or copy the behaviors or looks. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.